the red one and the green. It's not allowed to get like that. You can go in the shell.
So this is all a Mexican.
The blue one with yellow commercial. You can find very easy in some old here because yeah, they can.
Hola! Hola! You don't speak? Hola!
Speak better when you're on their own.
Hola! Good morning!
You'll be the interaction.
Buenas